Hi, this is Jim Circlin with Paramount Pool and Spa Products, and I'm the Technical Support Manager. Today, we're going to be discussing the Paramount RetroJets. We make RetroJets for most in-floor systems, and many of these systems have been sold under various names. Because of this, many times you will have to remove a nozzle and match it to the pictures we're going to provide in this video. This will determine which replacement head you will need to use. The tool you will need to install these retro heads for everyone but the Pool Valet Retro is part number 004-652-542200. All retro head nozzles have 3 caps, and when replacing an existing nozzle with a Paramount retro head, you need to select the cap that matches the opening closest to the one that's on the original nozzle size. Place the selected cap on the nozzle and put the nozzle prongs down on a hard surface and strike the top of the cap with the palm of your hand to install the cap. One note before we start. Because our retro heads are longer than the heads that they replace, always check to make sure that there is enough clearance on the piping for a nozzle that is 5 inches long in the piping where the old nozzle came out. We will start with heads made by A&A Manufacturing. XX at the end of the part number stands for the color, and all A&A nozzles come in 5 different colors when ordering. The XX is replaced by 01 for white, 03 for black, 07 for taupe, 09 for cream, and 10 for gray. This picture shows the Quick Clean 1 nozzle in both a side view and a top view. Notice that the nozzle has 2 small holes in the top for a tool to fit in. If this is the nozzle you have in your pool, our retro head to replace it is part number 004-652-4955XX. The tool to remove your old nozzle is 004-652-542100. Next, the picture shows a Quick Clean 2 nozzle. Notice this nozzle has 3 holes in the top for a head removal tool. And the same tool that is used to install our retro nozzles removes these heads. If this is the nozzle you have, then the retro heads that it replaces is part number 004-652-4956XX. The newest head that A&A manufactures is the Gamma 3 nozzle, and this picture shows that. Notice the nozzle has 2 slots on the head. The removal tool is part number 004-652-542300. If this is the nozzle you have, then our retro head that replaces it is part number 004-652-4957XX. Next, we come to heads made by Caretaker. All Caretaker nozzles look the same on the top, and they use a removal tool 004-652-542000. Caretaker heads come in 7 different colors, and the numbers for these colors replace the XX. 01 is white, 02 is gray, 03 is black, 04 is taupe, 08 is light gray, 09 is cream, and finally 11 is blue. Because all the Caretaker heads look alike from the top, you must remove the head to determine which style you have. Up to 1999, the head was a screw-in style, which takes our replacement head 004-652-4949XX. After 1999, they manufactured a bayonet style with a swirl design on the top that takes our replacement retro head 004-652-4954XX. You may have a net and clean system. The heads in this system look very much like a Gamma 3 A&A system. You must remove the nozzle to see the difference. The tool to remove this nozzle is a special order, and the only color with this nozzle is white. Our RetroHead part number is 004-652-4945-01. Paramount manufactures a pool valet nozzle that has been used by builders since the late 70s. It looks like the picture from the top view. There is a body that the nozzle fits into that is in the gunite of the pool, and this body has female threads in it. Colors for the pool valet are white, 01, gray, 02, black, 03, and taupe, 04. The nozzle has 4 notches in a ring, and a tool number 004-502-5420-00 fits into it. This tool unscrews the ring with male threads that is screwed into the body, and that's what holds the nozzle in place. The pool valet and the male threaded ring are still available. As long as the female threads in the body are intact, then the part number for the replacement is 004-502-5004XX. And if it's one hole drilled out in your existing nozzle, it's 004-502-5002XX. However, if the female threads in the body are broken, then the retro kit must be used. The retro kit is part number 006-502-4714XX, and it can be glued into the broken body even underwater with wet or dry glue, available from most pool stores or home improvement stores. Colors for the retro kit are 01 for white, 02 for gray, 03 for black, 04 for taupe, 05 for dark blue, 06 for light blue, 07 for tan, and finally 08 for light gray. For further information on RetroJets, go to www.oneparamount.com for the replacement guide, sizing chart, and install guide, all of which can be downloaded and printed for easy reference. RetroJets are available through many local pool distributors, pool stores, and service companies. This has been Jim Circlin for Paramount Pool and Spa Products. Thank you very much.